how to actually use N8N to provide value to accounting offices where you can sell your services. We're going to talk about 3 different things today, and you want to make sure to stick until the end because these are going to be really helpful to you. The first one is a document organizer, which you can use to actually save a lot of time because accounting offices are spending a lot of time organizing and renaming files, which is not needed with AI anymore. The second one will be an automatically recognizer of invoices, so they can use AI to actually see the invoices, the due date, the VAT amount, the date, all these things. It can automatically recognize it from the invoice. And the last one is a gentle debt collector, which actually will send emails to people that have not yet paid their amounts. So it will happen automatically, which will save you a lot of time. So it starts off here with a Gmail trigger. And with that Gmail trigger, it will actually read the emails here and create a client folder with their name and a year, a month folder within. And then you can place everything neatly within that folder that has to do with this customer. So as you can see here, I have nothing in my Google Drive invoices. If I execute the workflow, it will start reading it and it will create a drive, a folder. Here's my name. I created myself as a customer with December and then with a file that's linked with them. And if you get new files, you can just drag it into here. So secondly, it's actually going to be an OCR scanner. So what it actually does is it will see what's inside the invoice, and it's really helpful because normally you would have an invoice on paper or digital or as an attachment, and then you would read it like the date and the VAT amount, and you would put it in the bookkeeping software. But this can actually do it automatically, which will help save a lot of time and prevent a lot of human errors because it will just read it off a screen and put it in there. So for example, with this one, it starts off with the Google Drive trigger. It will see if it's a PDF, JPEG or PNG. Then it will use Google Vision, the API, to actually read and understand what is inside the invoice. It will extract the information and adjust it so in a Google Sheet or whatever you use for your bookkeeping software. You can also use other stuff for this. And lastly, it's a gentle debt collector. It will check every Monday morning, and again, you can adjust this however you like. You can just say, I want this, every Tuesday as well, or every Wednesday. It doesn't matter. It's up to you, to the company accordingly. It will prepare an email. It will look for overdue invoices, and then it will go here, send a reminder email, and adjust so in your Airtable or whatever software you use that you keep track of the invoices. So I hope you enjoyed the video. These 3 things you can do to help improve accounting offices and provide value, and actually they can use it to save a lot of time, which they can use that time to make more money. And if you enjoyed the video as well and want to learn more, you can check the link down below for a waitlist for my newspaper and also to get premium access for my school community that's launching soon. So with that being said, I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.